From JEE. Today we are going to see most repetitive question in the exams. Most common type of liposarcoma to affect children is myoxide liposarcoma. Most common aortic branch involved in tachys arteritis is left subclavicle. Most common type of fluid collection in scrotum is hydrocele. Most common cause of respiratory distress in newborn is transit trachepnea of the newborn. Most common abdomen emergency of early childhood is interception. Most common location to see aspergillosis sequel is posterior lower lobes. Most common acetabular fracture is posterior acetabulum. Most common karyotype or chromosomal abnormality in USA is Down syndrome. Most common affected bowel segment in TB ileocecal area. Most common osseous lymphoma, primary and secondary deficiency, large B-cell lymphoma. Most common affected joint in gout is first impetimeter torsophalangeals. Most common familial malignant orbital tumor in childhood is rhabdomyosarcoma. Most common AIDS-related neoplasm is Kaposi. Most common associated with small left colon syndrome is maternal diabetic mellitus. Most common allergic aspergillosis syndrome is sarcoma, allergic bronchopulmonary aspergillus. Most common bacterial cause of mesenteric adenitis Yersinia enterocolitica. Most common anatomic variant of pancreas is pancreas divisum. Most common benign cardiac rhythm abnormality is PAC. Most common anomalous cause of RCA is intraarterial. Most common benign cartilage content lining tumor is osteochondroma. Most common appearance of lingual at the peak of the disease is bilateral airspace consolidation. Most common benign growth of skeleton is osteochondroma. Most common associated with great toe distal phalanx and physical involvement is osteomyelitis. Most common benign hepatic lesion is hemangioma. Most common associated anomaly with coarctation is bicuspid valve. Most common benign hepatic tumor first 6 months of life is infantile hemangioendothelioma. Most common associated PAPVR is sinus venous type ASD. Most common benign intraocular tumor of orbit in adults is cavernous hemangiomas. Most common benign mesangial tumor of kidney is AML. Most common benign tumor of lung is hematoma. Most common associated anomaly with coarctation is bicuspid valve. Most common benign hepatic tumor during first 6 months of life is infantile hemangioendothelioma. Most common associated with PAPVR is sinus venous type ASD. Most benign intraocular tumor of orbit in adults is cavernous hemangiomas. Most commonly benign mesangial tumor of kidney is AML. Most common benign tumor of lung is hematoma. Most common benign of tumor of larynx is comus papilloma. Most common benign masses caused by aspergillosis exposed actilytic aspergillosis pseudo tumor. Most common benign mucosal tumor of esophagus is papilloma. Most common benign tumor of spleen is hemangioma. Most common benign tumor of small bowel is JAST. Most common benign nasopharyngeal tumor is juvenile angiofibroma. Most common benign testicular mass is simple cyst. Most common benign vascular gastric tumor is glomerulus tumors of stomach. Most common benign orbital tumor in childhood is dermoid cyst of orbit. Most common benign solid tumor in woman childbearing age is simple cyst. Most common benign ovarian neoplasm in young and middle age woman is less than 45 years is mature teratoma. Most common bilateral testicular tumor is lymphoma. Most common benign soft tissue tumor is vascular origin is fibroadenoma. Most common benign radiation induced tumor of osteochondroma.